morning. I'm at the Brunei International Airport. I just checked in and then I'm gonna go to the business class lounge. And I'm going to Penang today through KL.
Plus upgrade and then baru masuk lounge.
Okay. Apparently there's no access to the lounge for me because my business class is the upgrade one, so okay, that's fine. I'll just wait here. Maybe I should grab some something to eat.
Good morning to our dear guests. My name is Hazlin, your cabin services officer. Welcome on board Royal Brunei Airlines flight RB A320 from Bandar Seri Begawan to Kuala Lumpur. The aircraft is under the command of Captain Pangeran Nazaruddin and the flight time is 2 hours. We'd like to extend a special welcome to our business class guests, Royal Scans members and guests from Malaysia Airlines, our codeshare partner on this flight. For your safety, kindly place all hand luggages in the overhead compartments. For our guests in economy, you may also place them under the seat in front of you.
entered the KLIA, I was given a card that allows me to use the premium lane so that I don't have to queue when my passport got stamped. So that's good. But now, since it was so efficient, I'm now waiting for the luggage. I'm heading to the KLIA 2. I'm gonna take a train which costs 4 RM. This is cheap for a 10 minutes ride. So this is my second leg of the trip. So from KL to Penang. Oh, we have Starbucks.
First of all, we would like to apologize for the delay of this flight. Any inconvenient cost is very much regretted. This is Air Asia Flight K6114 service to Penang Island. The commander of this flight is Captain Brian, assisted by Senior First Officer Nabil, and I'm your senior cabin crew, Fazrul. This flight will take approximately 1 hour. For your safety, your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead compartments, and your small items, including your laptop cases and a handbag, must be placed under the seat in front of you.